Creating a histogram. Open a new document. Start with a Lists and Spreadsheets page. Enter your data in column A. Remember to give column A a name. Add a Data and Statistics page. It looks like this. The variable you choose will be the name that you have given to column A, or your list of data. Menu. Plot type. Histogram. The calculator chooses its own class interval or bin and initial starting value or alignment. We need to change these to suit the data. Menu, Plot Properties, Histogram Properties, Bin Settings, Equal bin width. The calculator has chosen random values for bin width and alignment. For my data, I will set the bin width to 20 and the alignment to 140 because that was the first tens value below my minimum point. All that remains is to change the window so that my histogram is half a bin width from the y-axis. Menu, Window Zoom, Zoom Data. Our perfect histogram